Son, you heard me explain to somebody about our credit rebuild program. Your credit can get messed up sometimes in life just because bad things happen to good people. But the one thing I'm proud of that we do different is we're not like a regular buy here, pay here. They'll charge you way too much, keep you screwed up for life. They won't help you fix your car. What we do different is you make your payments on time. You got a problem with your vehicle, we're gonna help you take care of it.
Sounds easy.
It is easy. And we report to the credit bureau every month. We help you get your score back up. In about 10 months, where normally you'd be upside down, as we call it, we're gonna make sure you have no negative equity. We're gonna make it a zero balance, and even might use it to help look like down payment and get you to that next vehicle. This truly is a stepping stone from here to there. The vehicle we get you in may not be the one you want, but it's gonna be a good car, the one you need to make the next step in your life.